Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech On. Friends, today I'm going to show that how to hard reset Tecno Spark 10 Pro mobile or any Tecno Spark mobile, my friends. Sometimes we forget our password to open our mobile. On the time, how we can open, we don't know, my friends. So on the time, if you want, you can hard reset or reset your Tecno Spark mobile. So friends, if you do hard reset, all the data like your audio and video and also the picture and also the storm apps, it will be gone, my friends. So remember one thing before hard reset. But there is no way you have to do hard reset, right? Because you don't know the password, right? So you have to do the hard reset of your Tecno Spark mobile. So friends, if you forget your password and if you want to hard reset on your mobile, you should need volume up button, volume down button and the power button of your Tecno Spark mobile. This is volume up, this is volume down button and this is power button, right? Power button will work for OK button here. So my friends, first I'll do one thing. I'll long press on the power button, only on power button. After that you'll find here power off and then restart. Simply you have to press on power off, my friends. Just tap on here, power off, again tap on here, power off, and within a second your power will be off on your mobile. After that you have to take your mobile on your hand, then you have to press volume up button and power button together. You have to press long press, my friends, here, and when you see that your logo has come, on that time you have to leave your power button finger. So you have to long press volume up button and the power button together. So I'm doing now. See my friends, logo came, I'll leave my power button finger, right? But you have to hold your volume up button finger. And see, now here is come Android signal and also there is no command, right? The Android logo and no command. Now my friends, you have to do one thing. You have to press again volume up button and the power button only once. Just only once, my friends. At the same time you have to press. See my friends, if I press at the same time only once the power button and the volume up button will come in this interface, that is reboot system now and reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, right? So my friends, if you want to come down, you have to press volume down button, see, to come down, right? And if you want to go up, you have to press volume up button, see. If I press volume up button, it will go up, right? If you press volume down button, it will go down, right? And here is shown the power button as a OK button, right? Now if I press on the power button, see what is going on. It will go on the next step, that means OK button. Just I'll press on the power button and here is shown the cancel and factory data reset, right? I'll go down by volume down button, see factory data reset. Now if I press on the power button as a OK button, so my mobile will continue for factory data reset. My friends, now I'll not continue factory data reset of my mobile because there's lots of data, but I'm showing to you how you can do that factory data reset for your mobile. Now my friends, I'll press on volume up button. After that I'll press on the power button. Now I can press the power button to reboot system now because I'll not do the factory data reset right now. So my friends, after doing factory data reset, your mobile will be like a new mobile. So you have to enter your Gmail ID on your mobile and then you can set up like language and the thing as like a new mobile, right? So my friends, I'll press power button now to reboot system now because I'm not continuing right now the factory data reset. So I'll press the power button, see. So friends, like this, if you want, you can hard reset your Tecno Spark 10 Pro mobile. Friends, if you have any questions about hard reset or resetting your mobile, especially Tecno mobile, you can ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel. and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching. Hope so next time I'll come with another exciting video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.